In Simcenter 3D2512, you can create complex circuits easier and faster than ever before with our new circuit editor. Furthermore, by leveraging Simcenter 3D's journaling tool, you can fully automate the creation of circuits by making use of circuit parameters that can be fully driven by expressions in your scripts. With this new circuit editor, you can automate complex tasks such as the creation of a rotor cage circuit for an induction motor. You can then use these complex circuits as sub-circuits in much larger models. Simply use expressions to quickly change your setup within the Simcenter 3D interface. Or, now that our recording has generated a journal script, we can simply play the journal and instantly recreate a complete circuit.